For BMW M lovers, we've got a lot of nice things for the new BMW 7 Series. We've got M Sport packages, we've got M Sport Package Pro, and we've got a lot of M performance models like the M760e, which is a plug-in hybrid, or the i7 M70, which is a fully electric one, later on followed by a V8 version. When we look at the front end of the M Performance model, we see the typical sporty M design in regards to the bumper. It's got expressive horizontal lines, sporty wide black areas on the side, giving the car a broad stance and especially a strong stance. In the center we see the M-specific kidney wearing the M badge, as well as the dark crystal lights as part of the extended Shadowline package. Some specifics about the M Sport package, which is available for every 7 Series. We have a special front design in the classic M structure and a darkened Shadowline light as part of the M Sport Package Pro. When we look at the side of the new M Performance models, the first thing you see is big wheels. As a matter of fact, the M Performance models come with 21-inch wheels as a standard, and in this case we even fitted the optional 22-inch BMW individual wheel. And behind that big wheel, of course, also the M Sport brakes to get the stopping power you need for this car. Now, what we see here for the first time is a new M outside mirror. Very nicely done with the winglet and the integrated M colors. And also we've got the extended Shadowline package, as you can see, with the side skirts as well as the window frame in high gloss black, ending up here with the most powerful letter in the world, the M right here. Looking at the side, the first thing we see are big wheels for the M Sport package. We've got 20-inch wheels for the base model, and in this case we even fitted the optional 21-inch M aerodynamic wheels. And also, always, we have the M Sport brakes with blue calipers. We've got nice M side skirts in high gloss black, a dynamic light carpet with M specific design, M door sills, window frames in black high gloss as part of the Shadowline, or optionally in satinated aluminium. What has a strong beginning also has a strong ending. If we look at the rear bumper of the M Performance model, you see a very strong wide stance, especially through the use of these vertical reflectors at the side, as well as the typical quad tailpipes for all of our M Performance models that have a combustion engine. And also the rear diffuser in the middle is a very strong statement. Up here we see the darkened rear lights as part of the extended Shadowline package, as well as the high gloss spoiler on top of the trunk lid. Now, looking at the rear of the car, an M-specific rear bumper enhancing the wide stance together with vertical reflectors and an M-specific diffuser, giving it a broad and also strong stance. Also, we can see darkened rear lights as part of the extended Shadowline in the M Sport Package Pro, and also an optional M rear spoiler in body color in the M Sport Package, or an M rear spoiler in black sapphire metallic in the M Sports Package Pro. Now let's go to the interior of the M Performance models. First of all, you are welcomed by an M-specific dynamic light carpet on the outside, as well as by the M door sills. When you sit down in the car, you will notice the M Sport driving pedals as well as the M leather steering wheel, which puts boost and the M mode at your fingertips. Also, M shift pedals for the plug-in hybrids and the combustion engine variants are very nicely done. In this car we can also see the optional M leather cashmere merino upholstery, and there are much more BMW individual or BMW M possibilities. Also featured here, a carbon interior surface trim with silver thread in combination with high gloss black. Very luxurious, very sporty. And also, for the first time ever, we have an M-specific user interface and also optional M in-car apps. In the new BMW M760e xDrive, the ambition and dynamics of BMW M is added to the best of both worlds, resulting in a system power of 450 kilowatts or 612 horsepower and an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.2 seconds. More exclusive BMW M sportiness comes with the optional adaptive M chassis control and the M Active sound design.